Only one MVP team could bounce back Friday, and it was Meralco. The Bolts got back on the winning track in the 2018 PBA Commissioner's Cup, doing so after a convincing 106-90 win at the Big Dome over sister team NLEX. Meralco rode Chris Newsome's steady performance as it improved to 2-1 in the mid-season joust. Newsome led all scorers with 30 points on top of 7 rebounds, while importer Arinze Onuaku scored 15 and grabbed 23 boards. "I thought we were able to focus on our defense, especially in the first half. Overall, our defense was very solid," head coach Norman Black said. The Bolts didn't waste time against NLEX, holding the Road Warriors to only 35 points at the break to take an early 18-point lead. Meralco led by as many as 24 in the second half, 64-40, and never let go to improve its standings to 2-1. Aside from Newsome and Onuaku, 4 other players finished with double figures for the Bolts, with Mike Talomia firing 15. 3 players scored 10 points each. For NLEX, import Arnett Moultrie scored 25 and Kiefer Ravina added another 21 points, but the Road Warriors have now dropped to 0-3 in the mid-season joust. The scores: Meralco 106, Newsome 30, Onuaku 15, Talomia 15, Amer 10, Karam 10, Dillinger 10, Hodge 7, Canaleta 5, Baracal 4, Ballesteros 0, Hugneton 0. NLEX 90, Moultrie 25, Ravina 21, Quinahan 18, Malari 10, Baguio 6, Tiongson 5, Al Husseini 2, Fonasier 2, Ilo 1, Buenif 0, Miranda 0, Montfort 0, Soyad 0, Talava 0.